So this is how you can verify your number on the Pi Network app. Now, before we start, make sure that you actually have an account with your number so that you could start verifying it, of course. So, once you've logged into your Pi network, this is what you're going to see. So, how do we actually verify our number? Well, at the top left, you will see three lines. Simply tap on those three lines, and then down here at the very bottom, as you can see, there are quite a lot of buttons. You're going to want to go to the bottom where you can see profile and tap on it. So this is what it should look like. Go on ahead and scroll down to the very bottom. And as you can see, it says account verification. So here you can verify your phone number, your Facebook, your email address. You could even change your password. And yeah, it's basically all of the things you need for an account. So simply tap on verify at the right. It's this gold button that says verify. And then it's going to send you a code based on the number that you gave. And then after you get that code, simply type it in. And you have now verified your Pi network. And yeah, it's that simple. Once again, all you have to do is go to profile and then simply scroll down and look for the phone number section and tap on verify. But make sure you've actually added your number first before you can verify, because what would you be verifying if you didn't have a number in? So once you tap on verify, it's going to send you a code, and then after you get that code, simply type it in and you are now verified. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.